Alright guys, we got the Wascomat W74 tub and pulley, and we are going to unbox it for a video for you guys.
Thank God I optioned the insurance, because look at how beat to shit this is.
Yeah.
Yeah. And again, this has come all the way from New York.
Yeah.
So it doesn't surprise me that this whole box is beaten by shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's better.
Oh hell yeah.
Oh yes.
Well, it's a good thing that bubble wrap
It's boiling. Feel how warm the pulley is. Oh, we do have a bit of damage, but
Is that bad?
possibly. Just through one of the spokes on the pulley, that could have bent it inward slightly, but that won't cause as much. Well, let's pull a corner. Or maybe just the entire top shroud of the box.
I want the help, but I feel like I'm going to do more harm than good. Because I am holding a phone at the same time.
Yeah. You know what, it'd be much easier if I just did this. There. Too dense. We're good, otherwise.
Too dense is bad.
Well, it sure doesn't feel too bad. Just shit yourself while don't you? It's very well packaged. Well, yeah, the pulley is dented in here. Oh, yeah, that's quite a major smack there. Honestly, we're all right.
Is that enough for the belt to come off?
Well, we'd only know if we threw it on and tested. Aside from that, the front profile is fine. Nasty little dent there. Well, that won't affect anything. No busts in the welds or anything. No other real damage I can see. I mean, the bearings feel absolutely perfect. Just a tiny bit of rattle in them, but that's fine. That's to be expected.
Alright guys, I think this will be the end of this video until we get this thing up and running. Which, knowing Matthew, will be right this second.
Yeah. I've been waiting for this in months, mate.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one.